So number 65 is very similar to 64. When they give you a cardinality, a particular number, it really is describing only one region. So 64 and 65 are similar, but I'm going to have to tell you right now that on your exam it will not be like 64 and 65. So right here we see that 5 only said color. And when you're saying color only, that's just this region right here. If they had said color in general, well, that would be different, wouldn't it? So we would be talking about this region, and this region, and this region, and this region all together. All of that would be color. But no, they said 5 only said color, okay? So 16 said brand, only said brand. So same idea. Hold on. So same idea, 16 only said brand, so it's just this region right here. Okay, 42 said only color and brand. So that means they said color and brand, but they did not say size, okay? 102 said all three, so the 102 would go in this region right here. Okay, 8 said size. 8 only said size, so these people said size and nothing else. Okay, 20 said only color and size, so they just said color and size. They did not include the brand there. 53 said only size and brand. I think you're getting the idea here. And 20 said none of these. Now from here, again, I could ask so many questions, but they only asked you one question. How many people were influenced by the brand? Okay, when they're asking how many people were influenced by the brand, please remember that they are talking about this entire region right here. All of this is brand. It just so happens that in this region and this region and that region, they said brand and some other things as well. So what that means is, to answer our question, we're going to have to add the 42 plus the 102 plus the 53 plus the 16. And if I type that in the calculator correctly, we get 213.